Purple is making a comeback, and I think that this is a beautiful color, especially if you've been kind of stuck in a rut with like only doing brown on your eyes. I really think that purple could be your next go-to. So I'm gonna show you how I got this little purple toned eye on this side of my face. So let's get started. So I have this cream shadow. It's awesome. This one's called Soulmate. I love it because I can throw it in my bag, use it on the go. I can also put it on with a brush if I want. It's buildable coverage, so you can put like a very light wash of color, or you can really build it up to be a little bit more bold. I think that purple grays, especially if you're trying to try some new colors, you're a little bit nervous about what purple could result in for you. Something with like a purple with an undertone of gray is a great place to start. So I'm starting here today, and I just love this cream shadow. So what I'm doing is I am applying with my brush, but you can also go in with your hand. And then I'm just going to blend this out so it's a nice diffused look. And so it's not like a hard line where I've stuffed the cream shadow here, okay? So then I'm gonna go under, and this is actually a concealer brush. Don't be afraid to use your brushes for other purposes. I'm just putting a little bit of this underneath my eye. Okay, so it actually brings a little bit of a drop shadow down, and it helps with the definition of your eye on the top and on the bottom. And you can try both or one or the other, but I think it's a really nice soft look. One thing about purples, I think they pair really, really nicely with a black liner. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use it pretty close to my lash line. And you can choose to go as bold or as natural as you like. But if you mess up, smudge it out. Okay, and if you're scared of liner or you feel like liner shuts down your eyes, one trick is to go underneath the lash line, just a little bit up into the lashes. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this very close to the lash line on the bottom lid. I like liner, so I'm gonna just do it on the top and bottom, but you could try to just do your liner on the top if you feel like it's looking too heavy or if your eyes are too small, because you do have that definition with the purple underneath. So the next thing I'm gonna do is the top of my lid. I'm gonna take this nice Pink Bisque color. This is a really nice, natural, neutral color. Take my large shadow brush, and I'm actually pressing into the cream shadow up here just to help blend it out a little bit more and make sure that it's nice and diffused and doesn't look like I've messed up my cream shadow. Okay, and then so yeah, the idea is just to keep this area underneath the brow bone nice and bright. You can also choose to do a crease color, and I actually like something like this, a little rose type color, and you can see this one's called Apricot. So if you want a little bit more of a look for daytime, you can take your crease brush and just blend that in. So then you're truly going from a dark color to a very light all the way up. Last but not least, I love my shimmer under my brow bone and in the inner corners of your eye too. This is called Sandy Peach. Probably seen this before. It's one of my faves, I like it. And I'm just gonna put this right under my brow. That also helps with brow definition. And you know what? Let's pop it a little bit in the corner. Why not? Kind of opens up your eyes when you put a little pop of shimmer or radiance in there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking like so far. I'm gonna finish off with my mascara. Curl the lashes, putting on my XLXL, my full lash mascara. This is all Julie Page products. I will link below to all the products that I'm using today. so that you know the full details. I like to just put a tiny bit of mascara on the bottom. Don't drag those lashes too far down. It actually can drag your eyes down. We don't want that. We want them nice and lifted. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is conceal. And that is about it. I mean, this is great for a daytime look. If you are a super natural girl, that's cool. Maybe try this for a date night. And brighten up under that eye. And that's it. You can also put a little bit of concealer right there. I'm gonna a little highlight on the nose. Okay. And this is my look. I'm sporting the purple. I am on trend and in season, and I'm super excited about purple coming back. The Pantone, it's like an ultraviolet Pantone. It is the color of the year. So I'm excited about that. I love purple. You can rock it too. Try out some of these things. Leave comments below if you have questions. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for tons more tips and tricks for moms on the go and busy women on the go, maybe men too, if you are doing makeup. So thank you for joining me here, and I will be back soon for more tips and tricks. Bye, love you guys.